feels amazing. Just a little sugar boost. Whoa, why does everything feel super fast?
Whoa! This feels like a super-powered slide. Okay, this place is amazing. Everything here keeps moving and working together. Something interesting is happening over there.
Hey, who are you? You look kind of sweet. You seem fun. You're very energetic. Wait a second. Are you up to something?
Whoa! That's a lot of energy. I feel like I could run forever. Okay, this is getting a bit much. Fast energy's cool. But can it last?
Where'd all that energy go? That was fast. My body feels kinda sleepy. Yep, that didn't last long at all.
Wow, look at all these choices. Which ones help me feel awesome? This apple looks like it gives long-lasting energy. Healthy foods help my brain, heart, and muscles work their best.
Whoa! Who are these awesome heroes? They look ready to help my body feel amazing. Yes, my energy is coming back. Looks like the right foods always save the day.
Not today, Sugar Monster. Time to fuel with the right food. Try these superfoods. Yum and powerful. Sugar Monster can't compete with smart fuel. That's how you beat sugar crashes. Eat smart and have fun.